Sim 200 manufacturing allows you to create multiple routes for built items. This can be useful if you are manufacturing products at different locations which perhaps have specialized staff or equipment only available when items are built in certain locations. For example, if the end product was to make a cup of coffee, I can potentially create it at our Derby office or at home. Our Derby office has a top of the line coffee machine and requires a different processing route to that if I were to make a coffee at home. This differs to Sycon manufacturing, which only allows one active bill of material at a time. Routes and component lists are added to bills of materials. In this example, the Arizona kitchen can be built in two ways. The first is a default route, which consists of cutting, assembly, and packing, and a non-assembly route, which only includes cutting and packing. I have also added a secondary component list for this build item. The default component list has many stock items associated with it, and the simple build only includes a few cabinets and fixings. When I create a new works order for the Arizona kitchen, I now have the option to change which route and which component list is used for this works order. Again, this is a great feature to use if you have multiple ways of building the same end product, or you need to interchange which components can be used when building the item.